children, welcome to English class. Today let us learn first poem in English, that is Grandma Climbs a Tree. Grandma Climbs a Tree is written by Ruskin Bond. Here in this Grandma Climbs a Tree, I think you are all amazing. Yes, I can see astonishment on your face. How grandma can climb a tree? Is it possible? Yes? No? Some said yes, some said no. Yes. Due to age, some people can't climb trees. Okay. Here, grandma climbs a tree. In this poem, poet explains how his grandma has an unusual habit of climbing a tree. So first keep your books ready. I am going to read stanza wise and I explain it to you. Please look into your book. My grandma was a genius. You would like to know why? Because she could climb trees, spreading or high. She would be up there in branches in a trees, and mind you, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. Ever since childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. Poet says his grandma's genius. What is genius? She is expert in that. You would like to know why? Why? You know, are you curious? Why? Because she could climb any kind of tree which are spreading or high. Spreading like mango tree or high like coconut tree. She would be up there in branches in a trees. And mind you, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. You know, when she last climbed a tree, when she was 62 years old, she climbed a tree. Ever since childhood, she had this gift. From childhood, she is practicing climbing tree for being happier in a tree than in a lift. What is the meaning of the word lift? Elevator. Lift means elevator. So, she preferred to climb instead of using lift. Okay, she loved climbing. Okay, so grandma is genius because she could climb any kind of tree which are spreading or high. When did she last climb the tree? Yes, at the age of 62. Yes, correct. You said correctly. Now, let us move on to second stanza. And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old. And that growing old should be gone about gracefully. She would laugh and say, well, I'll grow disgracefully. I can do it better. And we had to agree, for in all the garden there wasn't a tree. As years went by, she was expertise in climbing tree. As she grew old, she became expert in climbing tree. Yes, but family members always advise her to stop climbing tree. Whenever someone asks, you are growing old, it is not possible for you, she used to laugh and say, well, I grow disgracefully. Now, which is the opposite of graceful? Yes, graceful opposite is disgraceful. Graceful opposite, disgraceful. Yes. So, their family members decided not to have any trees in the garden because for the safer side and to save Granny, because they were all afraid that she would fall from the tree. So, they removed all trees from their garden. Next, let us move on to third stanza. She hadn't been up at one time or another, having learned to climb from a loving brother when she was 6. But it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible the outcome was different. While we were in town, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. So, from whom she learned to climb a tree? Yes, someone said there. Yes, you are correct. She learned to climb a tree from her loving brother. Yes, very good. So, one day what happened? One day, and we all know that she loved to climb tree. She climbed a tree but couldn't come down, and someone went there and rescued her from the tree. Yes. After rescue, now let us move on to fourth stanza. After the rescue, the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, I strongly recommend a quiet week in bed. We sighed with relief and tucked her up well. Poor Granny, for her, it was like a brief season in hell. It was like a brief season in hell. Please underline that. It was like a brief season in hell. Which figures of speech is used here? Yes? Yes? No? Not metaphor? Yes? Yes, it is simile. Someone said, why it is simile? Yes, we are comparing two different objects by considering the similar pointers. It was like a brief season. Like is there now? So, which figures of speech is used? Yes, simile. You underline that there and write simile. Confined to her bed by every breeze whispered of summer and dancing lakes. So, one day what happened when no one in the house? Granny climbed the tree but she couldn't come down. Someone came and rescued her, but immediately after that she fell ill and doctor advised her to take 1 week bed rest. So the duration of 1 week was really hell for Granny because she loved to climb tree. She was always want to be on tree and always active. Yes, you are correct. Okay, next. But she had held her peace till she felt stronger. Then she sat up and said, I will lie here no longer. And she called for my father and told him undaunted. What is the meaning of undaunted? What is the meaning of undaunted? Yes, without hesitation. Without hesitation, she expressed her desire in front of poet's father. That a house in a treetop was she what now wanted. My dad knew his duties. He said, that's all right, you will have what you want, dear. I will start work tonight. So, Granny can't lie on the bed. After 1 week, she called up poet's father and he expressed her desire of being on the treetop. Means she without hesitating, she told her wish in front of poet's father. What she wanted? Yes, someone said correctly. Yes, you are right. She wanted to live in a tree house. So father was very beautiful. So he promised grandmother, okay, I build tree house for you. So here poet's father was very beautiful and he said he will build a tree house for mother. Yes, correct. With my expert assistance, he soon finished the core. Core means what? Task. Yes, correct. Made her a tree house with windows and a door. So Granny moved up and now every day I climb to her room with glasses and tray. So the tree house was very beautiful with doors and windows. Understood? With the help of poet's father built a tree house for his mother. So Granny moved up and living in a peaceful manner, but poet every day visits her grandmother with glasses and tray. So she sits there in state and drinks sherry with poet, upholding her right to reside in a they both enjoy drinking sherry. Okay, so it's very important poem. So today's homework, see, I am sending notes